Hi guys, just Mark here again. We've got the Audi set up and underway with its Hydroflow Dpf detox. We've got some diagnostic kits set up and we just thought I'd like you to have a look so you can actually watch the carbon mass dropping. Might take a few seconds, you'll see it ever so slightly going down. It was at about 40 odd when we first started this, and hopefully you'll get to see it just creeping down there. We've gone down to 18.5 and so on and so forth. We'll see what we can get this all the way down to. Cheers guys. And here we are just coming back to the vehicle, an Audi Q7 3-litre diesel, just following the soot being reduced by the Hydroflow. We're down to 12% now. Hi guys, back in the Q7. We're back down to 4% now. Quite pleased with that. I think we'll take for a run in a minute, see if we can get rid of both of them. There we are, 3.5. Be nice if we can finish on 0. Just shows you how effective this Hydroflow treatment is. Totally carbon free. This is not a system like TerraClean, it's totally different. We use a ortho-oxyhydrogen form of gas that's produced through hydrolysis. Nearly 2,000 litres has gone through this vehicle, and as you can see, it's very effective. Here we are guys, nearly finished. There we are, we've just gone from 1 to 0.5%. Let's just see if we can get this down to 0. I'll be really pleased if we can. That's what we always aim for. Come on girl. There we are, 0. Job's a good one.